Hello and welcome to All-in-One SEO, the best WordPress SEO plugin and toolkit to improve your website search rankings. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set the SEO for your homepage. If you have not done so already, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell. First thing we need to do is come over to your WordPress dashboard. If you're not using the pro version of All-in-One SEO, I recommend that you check it out. I'll leave a link in the description and you can grab a copy of that here. So the first thing we need to decide is if you're showing your latest posts or a static page on your home page. We can find that out by going to settings and then reading. And you'll see the setting here, your homepage display. So right now I have it set to your latest posts. And we also have a static page. So I'll show you both ways of how to edit the homepage SEO. First, let's do your latest post. So we'll go under All-in-One SEO and search appearance. And right here under global settings, we'll just scroll down a little bit and we'll see some homepage settings here. This is a preview and this is based off of what you will set in the site title and the meta description. This is very easy to use. We have smart tags that you can implement into your field here. So for example, if tagline wasn't here, I can just simply click and that'll import this into the field. You can also type the hashtag and this will bring up a list of all of the smart tags available. So if I search for tagline, click on there. You can also view all tags. And this is the same as typing out the hashtag. As well, you can combine this with any written word as well. So you can add on to that if you need to combine that. And the meta description works in the same way. So we have smart tags here that we can add and we can type the hashtag to do so. And we can view all tags here, or you can combine that with more text if you need to. And lastly, if you have enabled meta keywords for the Russian search engine Yandex, you'll see a keywords field where you can enter your meta keywords. Let's scroll up and make sure to save your changes. And that's it. If you're showing your latest post on your homepage, that's all you need to do to set the homepage SEO. Now let's go back to settings and reading. And I'm going to set my homepage to a static page and save. And to edit your homepage, if it's a static page, we'll go to pages, all pages, and I'm going to edit the page. This is just a test page that I set up. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where you can see the all-in-one SEO settings. Under the general tab, we can see the snippet preview. And this is set from the page title and the meta description. We can see the smart tags that we can use. So again, if these aren't here, we can just click and import whatever we want and create any combination of the smart tags that we need. There's many here to choose from. We can also combine that with any text that we want. And the meta description works the exact same way. So you can import smart tags, or again, you can combine these with text. You also have the hashtag that works as well. And lastly, if you've enabled meta keywords for the Russian search engine Yandex, you'll find that under the advanced tab here. And down underneath priority score, there'll be a field here to set your keywords. If you have any questions, you can browse our helpful documentation, or if you require further assistance, please feel free to submit a ticket and we'd be happy to help.